Aloha, my name is Shannon McClish, and I'm a PhD student at the University of Hawaii at Manoa in the Department of Oceanography. I would first like to thank the ARC Foundation for this generous scholarship. I'm really honored to have been selected. I was born and raised in Morro Bay on California's central coast, and the ocean was always a central part of my life. I grew up playing in the ocean, sailing around the bay, and running along the shore. And I love to study the ocean, to just watch it and learn about it, even before I knew I was. So I then went and did an undergraduate in earth science at the University of California at Santa Cruz. And that's where I really came to understand the importance of the ocean in the global climate and carbon cycle. And so the ocean is responsible for the uptake of about a quarter of all anthropogenic carbon dioxide emissions. So that's the carbon dioxide that has been emitted through the burning of fossil fuels as well as deforestation. And of that ocean carbon uptake, about half of that occurs in the Southern Ocean, which is the ocean around Antarctica. So I became really interested in the Southern Ocean, and my research now is focused on the seasonally sea ice covered part of the Southern Ocean. So each winter, sea ice forms and grows and basically doubles the size of the Antarctic continent. And then in the spring, that sea ice melts. And so my research now is focused on trying to understand how the changes in sea ice cover affect phytoplankton, which are tiny marine algae. And in particular, I'm interested in how much phytoplankton take up carbon dioxide from the surface waters, and how much of that carbon dioxide that phytoplankton take up gets fixed into organic carbon and sinks out of or is transported out of the surface ocean into the ocean interior, which is effectively sequestering that carbon from exchange with the atmosphere. So I think this is really important region to study because we have not had that many observations from this region before. So it's a really exciting time. It's also really important as sea ice changes in the Southern Ocean are projected for the future. So thank you, and I look forward to sharing more of my research.